I want to support Honey Singh. I think he's a feminist. I think you've misunderstood him. The lyrics है घर है पैसा है गाड़ी दो कप जोड़ों में भेजो लड़की हो गई हमारी सा anti dowry song.
No one can hang out with these yo Honey Singh.
There's only one reason that any government would mess with anything, ecology, heritage, community, social, whatever you want, and that is ideology. And we are reaching to I'm actually fearful because I mentioned this to Manisha when we were discussing Banaras.
Yeah.
I said, to me, it reminded me of Kashmir.
I would say if they want to do what they want to do in Banaras, we'll have a clean river and we'll have forests there. Fine, destroy what you want. Go for it. But give me a forest over there. Don't give me uglier structures, no? The point is, what are you doing it for?
And I think for me, I've always been fascinated by how this government is how it's reshaping public spaces and what it says about this government. Because even historically, if you look at every king, the way to leave your mark is in the monuments, from Guptas to Akbar to Aurangzeb. If you go to Bivi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad, that Aurangzeb apparently built to rival Taj Mahal, you can see in that building what a stingy person this is.
I explore that in my story, which is about the big church, which is this Vaticanization of Hinduism, that there should be a big, powerful church. Power should flow from it, and everybody else comes below it. Also, that there should be standard practices. So there's, in this ideology of Hindutva, it's built around organization. So everything has to be standard, everything has to be put in a box, everything has to be hierarchical.
That temple, which was supposed to be this big thing he's doing for Hindus, to me, it's just a very alien structure that's bought there. It's almost like what they did in Ahmedabad with the riverfront, pink sandstone, no trees, nothing, Spartan, brutalist. And that's been a feature of this government. And I think Modi does see himself as an emperor in that sense, and he wants to reshape India as his, leave his mark there. And he is trying to do that through buildings, through monuments, through public spaces. So
I made the mistake of calling it a pawn shop in front of the gentleman who was sitting there. He said, "Zara camera काटेंगे." जनाब अपना एंकर को पान की दुकान नहीं, एक थेम्बूल भंडार है. हम सिगरेट बीड़ी नहीं बेचते. हमारे 7 पूर्वजों से अहिल्याबाई का पान हमारे परदादा के परदादा के परदादा बनाते थे. So that Thembul Bhandar, not pawn shop, was there from I think 1600, 1700 or something. He told me. I said it's been here. He said it's been here since then.
Thembul is what? Like what does it mean?
I guess Thembul means pan. What is Thembul?
Like
Tambul is the Sanskrit
Subari.
name of pan.
Oh,
The
is it?
leaf.
Wow.
Is it a systemic problem? Is it a problem that any exam at any level in India will always get leaked because eventually there are people involved at some level or the other?
I don't think we should have gone into this scanning process at all for assessment. That is not how we do assessment. You're making robots out of human beings.
So you have this one central body, which is big, which is great, and which is going to change everything. So it's like that Trump, big, beautiful, it's going to be amazing. That's what we're seeing the government do. I think we need the culture of resignations to come back in, because how does an education minister survive 40 paper leaks in the last 5 years? More than 40 paper leaks have happened.
So one teacher told me that someone who took a little longer, you got a phone call to the head of the center saying, why is this person taking long?
What?
Or why is this person, yes. Or why is this person doing it so fast? In 7 minutes, this person has finished that. So we are being watched. We cannot assess this way.
Are you talking about screen monitoring, that how much time they're spending on a page?
Yes, because the camera is on your screen.
God.
Recommendations to Prime Minister, please put some value to education. Just doing puja part does not a leader make. So value education for yourself and for our youth. And the second recommendation is, I will not leave you the poem, is by this poet who will tell you in his voice, followed by a few instances of where Modi ji didn't listen to him.
कि कोई हाथ भी न मिलाएगा जो गले मिलोगे तपाक से